the magic. And watch how you can easily catch it. And you can make it go up to the sky. But we can catch it too. Show them to me. No, nobody catches. They're kind of dangerous when you catch them. Yeah, they're so dangerous. So I'm not going to do for this. Catch it. We're going to try a game called Catch That Sing-a-Lang. Guys, look at this magic. It's coming to the ground. Let's play the game called Catch That Sing-a-Lang. Come on, try to catch the thing. It's really hard to catch. Because every time you do it, you have magic. So it makes it go up. And you might get scared. Move my hand. Don't try to catch that sing-a-ling. Oh, try. Why so hard? Let me try. Magic power. I have power. Look, guys, it's gonna break. Oh no! It falls to the ground. Maybe we can catch that sing-a-ling. No. Catch that sing-a-ling. It will go up if you put your hand. Catch it. It was cutting the roof off. Oh, guys, no. Yeah, guys, never try to catch that sing-a-ling at home. Yeah, never try this at home, guys. For sure. And never try to make it hit the wall. Catch that sing-a-ling. Catch that sing-a-ling. Jaden! You shot! Catch it! Oh, I almost had it. I touched it. You gotta do this. I had it. The air blew off. Catch it, catch it. Catch that sing-a-ling. It's nothing. See? Hey guys, we did it. And never try this at home. It will cut up your wall and destroy your house. I touched it. And that will happen. Yeah. Also, let's get it started back up. Yeah. Just give us a second. It's a little tight back here. It's good.